Pin Ni busily inspects his warehouse.
But we have too many of those.
Wanxiang America Corporation, based in Elgin, Illinois, near Chicago, is an incredible success story. In 1994, Pin Ni founded the company with an initial $20,000 investment. Since then, it has grown to become a $4 billion conglomerate with interests in auto parts, clean energy, private equity, and real estate. Over the years, Pin Ni has watched the ebb and flow of relations between the US and China.
Can you bring it over?
Although in recent times, that relationship has been characterized by tensions.
Obviously, it is very challenging. But I call there's a two trade relation, right? One is a true business trade relation. The logic has not changed. However, on top of that, there is another layer of the trade relationship. This is a political trade relationship. That is absolutely terrible. That has caused, a lot of loss for people on both sides.
A buzzword among US policymakers in recent months is that of de-risking, a push to mitigate the vulnerabilities posed by shaky economic ties between the US and China. The move appears to be a step away from decoupling, implying efforts to curb risks while avoiding a clean break. But Pin Ni is among those who believe, in the end, the markets will decide.
I don't think anybody can stop globalization. Many people can try to slow it down, but at the end, the globalization is going to move forward. Because the anti-globalization, the cost will be too high.
Despite recent tensions, Chinese companies still invested more than $28 billion into the US last year. Although that's down from the high of nearly $39 billion in 2019, it's about double the amount Chinese firms invested in the US in 2015. Added to that, the two-way trade between the two countries last year was worth almost $700 billion, a record high.
I do have a hope. The hope is that the leaders on both sides can be rational, can be professional, can be open-minded, can focus on the people's benefit from these two countries. If they do that, I'm confident both sides can find a way to move forward.
There will be many business leaders around the world who'll be watching the meeting between the US and Chinese presidents very closely. Dan Williams, CGTN, Chicago.